Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is not your first time, of course, if it's your very first time, I want you to go subscribe right now so you don't miss out on all the cool videos I'll be making. Today I'll be unboxing a fresh award, the Microsoft Most Valuable Professional Award, and talk a little bit about the award and what it means to me personally. I think personally, this is Microsoft's way of saying thank you for all the good work you do in the community and an encouragement to do more, basically. So it's them saying, okay, thank you for doing this blog post, this video, and then we want you to do more, and this is just a token of our appreciation to you. So right now, let's actually go and unbox. Ready? Let's do that. Lights on, knife out. Now this is really cool. No, I'm just gonna turn on the camera here, and I'm gonna record also from this angle, so you can see it right up top. Recording has started. Okay, so I'm just gonna knife this through. Don't mind me, I don't have a proper unboxing knife, but this should do. Cut it right through here. Now I need to be super careful. Okay, one side is open. I think that's all the sides I actually want to open for this. So let's paper. Okay, it's fragile. It's marked fragile, so I need to be careful. All right, and nothing in the box anymore. So I'm gonna put that away. And this is the Microsoft 2021 Most Valuable Professional Award. Right there. Beautiful, isn't it? Okay, so let's go open it up. I'm excited. Are you? Okay, so I'm gonna be opening the box now. So let's get ready for what's in. It's actually beautiful. Let me bring this right close up to the main camera here. Looks beautiful around. Really beautiful. Okay. I think I'm gonna be keeping this box also. The box looks super beautiful now to keep. What do you think? Right, so I got a thank you even inside the box. This is a lot of thank yous, and here we got a plaque signed by the Microsoft CEO, now the chairman. Yeah, this is Satya's signature. I've seen it a couple of times, so I know it's his. Did he personally sign it? I don't know if he actually personally signed it, so we'll see, but it really looks good with my name. This is gonna stay right next to my wife and my daughter on this table. And then I got a badge. This is gonna go. Oh, this is really cool. I got a badge. I feel like I'm part of Microsoft. Okay, so there we go. We got a badge. Yep, got a badge and got some congratulatory message in here. Some congratulatory message. I'm gonna frame this also. Oh, hold up. There's a lapel pin. Lapel pin right here. Okay, I'm gonna give this to my wife. She has my MCT lapel pin also. It's very good. Straight up. This is it. The lapel pin. Okay, then I'm gonna find somewhere nice to actually put this also. Then boof, 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 boof. We got the award. I like the opening of this. Da 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 da. This is the Microsoft Most Valuable Professional Award, And that's not just all of it. We got the ring showing how many number of years the award has been. So this is my very first one, so that's gonna slide right in here. Year 1. This is how it's supposed to be? Yeah, this is how it's supposed to be. This is the award. Any other thing in the box? Okay, there's an important information enclosed in here. I will read this, but I think it's only addressed to me, so I might not be showing you that part. Stickers, stickers, stickers. Okay, these are some information from me, so I won't be showing you that, but of course I got stickers, I got stickers, I got stickers. Okay, I'm gonna put that right back in the envelope for consuming later on, and I think that's about all on the box. I think, yeah, pretty much. So what I'll do is, the award stays on my table, of course, stays on my table. I'm gonna just get this box back the way I opened it up. Yep. And stick this back right here. This box goes on my rack, and that rack is here, but I'm gonna put it down just for this unboxing. So this is all that is super important. More important information is actually over there in that envelope. How do I get this? Oh yeah, that's it. So this stays right here on my table, signed by Satya. Okay, so that's the award later, and this goes in my wallet. There's a lapel pin, and this is the MVP award. So this goes sitting right here in front of my saxophone, and this also sits right here. So that's it, people. Now, I've had those questions: how do you now become a Microsoft MVP? And I think it boils down to 3 main things, and I think that's what I'll be talking about next for everyone to know. Oh, turn off the lights and turn off the camera here. How do you become an MVP? Very easy. Well, not super easy, but the process is simple. I think the first bit you want to think about is be a community person, helping people with the tech that you love. If you love programming, help people with programming. And this can be through blog posts, videos, answering questions about the tech on the forum, Stack Overflow, Microsoft Docs and all that, making demos of how to use that tech. So if you love the HoloLens, make a video about HoloLens. If you like Azure, make videos about Azure, demo how to use Azure, demo how you enjoy using Azure, and contribute also to the documentation of the products that you love to make it better. And also speak at conferences and meetups, and basically it's just something that helps make someone's job better in what they do because you like this tech. Also, you don't have to be an expert, you don't have to be like super senior to be an MVP. You just have to be able to tell people about this tech that you love. For example, I write C#. I've been writing C# for a couple of years now, and I enjoy talking about it. So I make videos about C#, I teach people C#, I answer questions about C# on Stack Overflow and all that. And if you need to get more information about the MVP program, you go to mvp.microsoft.com. That is where you get information about the MVP program. So go make some MVP friends. I know I've made more friends actually from the time of getting this award until the time of this recording, and I know I'll actually make more friends. Probably it's you watching this video. Also, you want to follow the hashtag MVPBuzz on Twitter, LinkedIn, and any other social media that you're on. And this is where you get information about the MVP program and the new things that have been announced about all that. And want you to notice, whether you get this award or not, it doesn't really matter. It's not the end of the world. And I think you want to keep doing what you're doing because you're helping someone and making their lives better. And one thing I say is, the world is a better place just because of what you do. So you keep doing that thing and everybody's happy. And that's it from me, people. That's unboxing. I'm really happy. I say thank you to Microsoft for this award, and to everyone that has actually helped me in my journey to also build my skills and the recommendations to get this award today. Until I come your way again with another video, I'll say stay safe and goodbye.